So we're looking at the one I got. This is the SF0107 rifle safe. 6 long gun cabinet, fingerprints. Fingerprint separate lockbox. I don't know what they were trying to say. Features a separate lockbox, holds 6 long guns with 4 ways to unlock and enable rapid access in just 0.1 seconds. It's fast. Made from 16 gauge carbon alloy steel, equipped with an interactive LCD display and a dual alarm system. Suitable for closets, office, garage, and weapon rooms. So I guess this is my weapon room. I got 2 safes over there. I guess you can call this my weapon room. I was gonna put this in my room, but I just keep it where everything else is. Should I? I'm gonna probably take this upstairs. Now, let me bring y'all down here. Oh, I also got a little light down here. But let me bring y'all down here, man. As I was saying, this is the top. Where's the key? Bam, 2 handguns. I probably can fit 3 in here if I turn them, you know, opposite ways. But I just got 2 handguns in there. I'm gonna throw all my extra slides in there also, because I got a few slides I need to finish up on. But on the bottom. Now, I didn't fit 6 guns in here. I was gonna throw that in there, but it got all this extra side bull on it. So did my AR pistol. So I just fit 5 guns in there, 2 shorts. Got my shotgun, got my ARP, 3 ARs, got my AR-10. Then we got 2 handguns. Got some mags. I don't know if I'm gonna put anything down there, just because these grips stick out just a bit. So when I close it, I don't know if y'all see that. So we ain't gonna put nothing down there. Now, you would be able to put stuff down there if I didn't have these optics on the back. That's why I got this one a little poked out, so it don't touch the back of there. Those fit in there perfectly fine. So let's open this, man. Let me see what the inside looking like, man. Cause I know stuff look different in person than it do online. So I hope I got some batteries too. So we're gonna look at that in a second. This is so you can mount it to the ground or to the wall, whichever one you want to do. It's a charger up in there. Keys here, yep. 2 keys for this, and then you got 2 keys for that. So open up top first. Ooh. Hope I don't hit my head when I come back up, man. Come on. Ah, shit, I hit my hand. What I said. Alright, okay. Stays open. They already got the carpet in there too. Let's open this thing. Bam. Oh, shit, you gonna open? Is it open? Take this out and see if that works. Bam. 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 Damn, it's hard enough for me to open it, mother. Oh, that's because they got all this plastic in it. Let's take all that off. These are to set these up inside of here. So you can put these on the side over here. I'm gonna put that right there. And then I'm gonna put the other one on this side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna be tough. Now, I did leave mine spaced out because I got like optics on my rifle, so they'll be able to sit like, you know, flush and not be leaning. I know y'all probably looking at my hair like, yeah, your hair long. Well, I'll never see your hair down. I don't never like my hair down. I'm really thinking about cutting this shit. I don't think I'm gonna be able to turn that on today. Let me see. Oh my boy, we need four. We ain't turning it on today. Alright, so I got the password and everything set up. Y'all see I put my hair in a ponytail. I was getting frustrated with trying to figure out what guns I'm gonna put in here, but I finally found out what guns I'm gonna put in here. Now, this is not the final setup, so let me just give y'all a little bit of what I got in there. I got 2 handguns in there. I got my extra slides, so we're gonna put all of that in there, and you know, we're gonna get a handgun shelf to stick in here for 6 handguns, but on the other side I'm gonna have like all my important papers or whatever, right? And then this side got the blickies. Now I'm gonna bring the camera down and show y'all. Let me put this cover back on. I'm gonna bring the camera down and show y'all how I got this thing set up, but I got some batteries in there too, so give y'all a little quick access. Yeah, y'all heard that? Quick access. Watch this. With ease. And if you get the password wrong a few times, let's see if we get the password wrong. It'll wake your mama up.